Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this warm, smoky cut crease. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. First I'm going to go in with my Josie Marin oil, and this is argan oil for your face. Really moisturizing, and I take about 2-3 drops from my whole face. So on my forehead, cheek, just rub that in. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. This is step 1, it's a hydrating primer. So I'm just gonna take a little squeeze of this on my cheeks. Little squeeze, and again, drop on the forehead. And this primer just feels so good on my skin, like even like I'm like just putting it on, like it just feels so like cool and like refreshing on my face. Today I'm gonna be using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Ash Brown. I'm just gonna fill my brows in. And I don't gotta worry about doing these too perfect, because I am gonna conceal around them for a more sharper brow today. And I'm just gonna conceal around my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows on, I'm gonna go on to eyeshadows. First, I'm gonna be using this shade Burnt Orange by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if you can see it, this color. I'm just gonna use it a little above my crease. In this color, we're using more of a transition shade. So we just want to buff it out all over the lid. And you want to make sure, since we are doing a cut crease, you want to make sure that you are bringing it all the way forward towards your nose, just so you have a color to cut. Next, I'm going in with another shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the shade Sienna. A little higher, right here. It's really. And Sienna, I'm taking on a more tapered blending brush, and this is the Morphe E28. So this one comes a little more to a point. And tap off a little of the extras, and then just build this up in your crease. I'm gonna go back in with my other Morphe blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the top a little more, just so that nothing looks too harsh. And I'm not adding any extra product, this is just the brush. I'm just gonna use the same concealer that I used to go around my eyebrows, and the same one that I use all over my face, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige. So that's this, and Creamy Beige. I don't know if you can see from that far. And we're just gonna cut it. What I like to do, so that I know how high I'm going, so I put a little in the center, a dot, and then I'll open my eyes all the way. And then boom, I have a line up there for where it should be cut. And then I just start spreading it on the bottom. it, we cut that crease. I'm just gonna take like a small flat brush. This one doesn't have a name on it because I think I got it out of like a brush set, but it's like a flat top and some Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna pat my eyelid a little, just so it's off in there. And I'm gonna go on and do the other eye. Okay, now that both are cut, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty. This one is the Desert Dust palette, and I'm gonna go in with Nefertiti first. That's this shade. It's like a nice, almost like a champagne sort of color. Yeah, more like champagne. I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna pack this in the front of my lids.
That's a pretty color. I'm gonna bring that to about the middle of the lid. I'm gonna do the same with the other side.
I'm gonna go with my second shade now, and this is gonna be the color Blood Moon from the same palette. And I'm gonna pack this on the back corner of the cut crease. And because I feel like I just want the inner corner a little more bright, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter from Maybelline, and it's the Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. So that's Molten Gold, and it fell, so this is it, very bright and gold. Take that and just put that right in the front. Then I'm gonna go in with the same palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with this, I don't even want to butcher the name of this, so I'm gonna go in with this color in the corner. It's like a deep, like burgundy reddish brown sort of feel going on. I'm just gonna pack it in the back a little bit, make sure I get all the extra off.
I'll pack that in the back, and then we're going with a smaller brush and go around the corners of the crease, around the edge of the crease to cut it a little more.
Take my original blending brush again and just buff that outer edge out a little. Here's where you're gonna wanna take your time, where you wanna go over the crease you cut, just so you can sharpen it up a little bit with the same color we used in the corner, like the last color.
Pick that up just a little bit, just so it blends up.
I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. And there you have it. I'm just gonna clean this up with a makeup wipe to my face, and I'll be right back to finish the rest of the look. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my face, and now I'm gonna finish the eye. The first thing I'm gonna do is gonna highlight my brow bone, and I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And I'm gonna use that to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. When she first announced that she was doing a highlighter, I'm like, this has no choice but to be so bomb. Then I'm gonna go under my waterline with the same brush I used to cut the crease a little more with the darker shade that was on our outer corner, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna tight line it under my eye. Then I'm gonna take this little smudging brush, and this is a Morphe brush, but also doesn't have a number because I got this in a package as well. So I'm going to take the color burnt orange again, and that was this one. And we're just gonna go right under where we tight line, just so we can blend it out, smoke it out a little bit. And I'm just gonna put liner on now, and I'm going to be using the NYX liquid liner, the vinyl liner, and this is just I don't know, I like this one. Don't mind my hair, I'm gonna fix it in a second. Should I bring it out further? I think I like it, that's all. So I did this line, I'm just gonna do my other side now, and I'm gonna pop some lashes on and I'll be right back. I have the finished look. Nice warm cut crease. It's actually not like a bunch of people, but like a few girls requested that I try and duplicate this look that I did. I posted on my Instagram. My Instagram name will be inside the description box if you want to go and check that out, both my personal and my professional page. So yeah.